Hi, I'm Banshari. I'm from Bandel, and I completed my master's in 2022. Then I was working in a English medium school as an English teacher. Then I find that there was no growth in my job. Then I was looking for doing B.Ed and all that. Then I thought it will be more time consuming. So after that, I was looking for a settled job and career growth. So then I was thinking of doing any course that it will be suitable for me. And there I got to know about digital marketing, and after that I was looking where I can do that course. Any better institute can provide me all that things. Then I got to know from there that Webskitters Academy is a good place that I can do digital marketing course. When I contact with the counselor, they told me that it will be suitable for me because I was in an English background and I don't have any technical knowledge. So digital marketing was suitable for me. So the mentor here are very helpful and very cooperative. They always used to help us when we have any kind of doubt regarding this digital marketing course, and it was very helpful for me. The fee structure is very affordable. I was having nothing knowledge about any technology and IT courses. So they provided me real-time projects, mock interview and grooming classes, which helped me a lot. I was very prepared for the interviews. So Webskitters Academy arranged for me an interview. So there I cracked the interview and I got a job in a reputed IT company, and now I'm working as a digital marketing executive. Thank you for guiding me my settled career from here. Thank you, Webskitters Academy.